Ah, the sounds of summer, the sea, the birds, and the high-pitched whine of the season's most unwelcome visitor.
I hate mosquitoes.
Meet Sean, Chronicles unit manager. His anti-mosquito maneuvers include running, hunting, spraying, and slapping. Other times, he just makes a scene. Unlike Sean, entomologist Caitlin O'Donnell is into mosquitoes. She even knows why they make that maddening noise. It's a mating call.
That buzzing is from the vibrating of their wings.
And what is a mosquito anyway?
A mosquito is a type of fly. Only females bite and look for a blood meal. They need that protein to develop their eggs. In Massachusetts, we have about 52 species. Only around 100 species of mosquitoes worldwide actually bite humans.
That's 100 species out of more than 3,500 that exist. These pests have been around since the Triassic period, at least 400 million years, and often they're more than just a nuisance. At Mount Auburn Hospital in Cambridge, Dr. Lin Chen directs the hospital's Travel Medicine Center. Dr. Chen studies mosquito-borne illnesses. Many, like malaria, dengue fever, and Zika, occur in warmer climates. Others are closer to home.
Locally, we are probably most concerned about West Nile virus and Eastern equine encephalitis in New England.
West Nile and Triple E are two different viruses that cause similar flu-like symptoms.
Usually the onset is within about 2 days to perhaps up to 2 weeks or so. Feverishness, headaches, body aches, fatigue, but it has neuroinvasion potentials.
That means the viruses can infect the brain, sometimes fatally. Children, the elderly, or those with weak immune systems are most vulnerable, says Dr. Chen, who also points out that West Nile is more common than Triple E.
As of January 2018, the CDC reported 1,339 cases total of neuroinvasive West Nile virus and several hundred non-neuroinvasive cases.
In 2017, Massachusetts recorded 6 cases, none of them fatal. Still, Dr. Chen advises use an EPA-registered repellent like DEET or picaridin.
Picaridin is preferred by some, and I think some people find it to smell better or more pleasant. And I would say whatever an individual likes and prefers, as long as in the recommended concentrations, usually 20% or more.
In the meantime, teams of intrepid mosquito hunters are working to keep the population at bay.
He's got, what, 3 calls? Maybe.
Norfolk County Mosquito Control is headquartered in Walpole. It's where Caitlin O'Donnell has a lab and where Executive Director David Lawson and his team come up with the right strategy for the 25 towns in the district.
Every district has their own unique geographic issues. For us, a couple of the big factors that we deal with, we have the Charles River going through our district, and we have the Neponset River. And so when the river floods, it can hatch off a lot of mosquitoes and cause major problem in the surrounding neighborhoods.
In the spring, the team applies larvicide before mosquitoes can hatch.
We do granular applications and we put them in the water. This is like one of the most environmentally friendly things we can do. It literally is only killing black fly and mosquito larvae. But we can't get every mosquito in the water.
When the mosquito population is high, the staff does truck-mounted spraying. The most important tip for residents, says Lawson, get rid of any standing water on your property.
Very small amounts of water can produce, the mosquitoes can lay their eggs and the mosquitoes can hatch out of there. So, the bases of the flower pots, bird baths, people have tarps that they just leave out, kiddie pools that aren't used. A lot of people would be surprised if we came in and said, look, here's the mosquitoes you're breeding in your yard.
Right now, the team is keeping an eye out for the Asian tiger mosquito, an invasive species that could potentially transmit diseases, including Zika.
It has been found in certain parts of Massachusetts, but we haven't found it yet in Norfolk County, so we're trying to keep on top of it.
Be grateful, says O'Donnell, for those New England winters.
That helps just make this area a little less habitable for that mosquito, and also for the life cycle of the viruses themselves.
Certain mosquitoes, though, can live through the winter and survive freezing water. In the larval stage, they use the roots of plants like a snorkel, actually, so they can breed even if they're below freezing water.
And brace yourself for this one. According to the American Mosquito Control Association, in a given season, a female can lay over 400 million eggs, and about 25% of each generation will survive.
25% is a lot.
Yes, it is.
All right, coyotes show up during the day in search of food.
If you do see a coyote and you're walking your dog, small little dog, I always recommend you pick them up.